Ever wondered if you could unlock the creative power of Sora 2 on your trusty Mac? Today, we're diving deep into just that. First things first, let's get Sora 2 onto your machine. You'll need to download the Mac-specific installer, usually found as a compressed file once downloaded. Locate it in your Downloads folder and double-click to extract its contents. Inside the extracted folder, you'll find the installer application. Double-click this to launch the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. This will involve agreeing to terms and selecting your installation destination. The installation itself is generally straightforward. You'll see a progress bar indicating how far along the process is once complete. You should receive a confirmation message that Sora 2 has been successfully installed. Now, let's find and launch Sora 2. Open your Applications folder in Finder and look for the distinctive Sora 2 icon. Click on it to open the application. Upon launching, you might be greeted with an initial setup screen or a dashboard. This is where you'll begin to familiarize yourself with the interface and its core functionalities. Now, for a crucial step: compatibility. It's essential to ensure your Mac meets Sora 2's system requirements. Sometimes, you might encounter pop-up messages or checks within the application that confirm compatibility or highlight any potential issues. Should you run into any hiccups, don't panic. We'll cover troubleshooting. Many issues can be resolved by ensuring your macOS is up to date, freeing up disk space, or simply restarting your Mac. If problems persist, the application's built-in help section or a dedicated support website for Sora 2 on Mac is your best bet for detailed troubleshooting guides and FAQs. With installation and compatibility addressed, you're now ready to start exploring the powerful features of Sora 2 on your Mac to bring your creative visions to life.